Hi everyone. In this video we are going to study properties of T4 space. I have defined what is T4 space already. So what is T4 space? Normal space and T1 space, we call it as T4 space. I hope you remember that normal space plus T1 space is T4 space. Again, what is normal space? For any two disjoint closed set in x comma tau, there should exist an open set gf1 and gf2 such that intersection of gf1 and gf2 is again null set. What is the condition it should satisfy? f1 should be subset of gf1 and f2 should be subset of gf2. Such space we call it as normal space. So what is normal space? There exists two disjoint closed set f1 and f2 in x comma tau topological space such that there should exist two open sets G and H such that f1 should be subset of G and f2 should be subset of H. G intersection H should be null set. So now we are going to prove every T4 space is T3 space. So what is T3 space? Regular and T1 space is T3 space. So no need to prove, we are having means it is T1. Already here in T4 space also T1 space exists. In T3 also T1 will exist. Only thing is we have to prove normal space is regular. If we prove that, we show that every T4 space is T3. Now I am going to consider a point x which does not belongs to a closed set f. F is closed in x. Since x is T1 space also, x is closed, right? Every singleton set in T1 space is closed. Therefore, x is closed. Therefore, x is one closed set, f is also another closed set. From the definition of normal space, there exist two open set G and H such that x is subset of G and f is subset of H and G intersection H is null set. From the definition of normal space, singleton set x is subset of x implies x belongs to G and f is subset of H and G intersection H is null. So this space is regular. So what is the definition of regular? A point belongs to an open set G and closed set should be subset of an open set H and G intersection H should be null set. Therefore normal space implies regular space. Now this space is regular and T1. Therefore every T4 space is T1 space also. Now we are going to prove every normal space is not regular space. See here, using T1 condition we have proved normal space is regular space. It means normal space plus T1 space is regular space. Now we are going to prove every normal space need not be regular. So to prove this, I'll consider x as A, B, C, D, E. I'm going to prove this using an example. I'll consider a topological space tau. So in topological space, x will be there, null set will be there, and A, B, C, C, D, E, C, D, E. So when we consider union of this A, B, C, D, E, that is our x. So when we consider union of this sets, it belongs to this. If we consider intersection also, it belongs to this. When we consider intersection of this to C. When we consider intersection of this to D and E. When we consider intersection of this to null set. So finite intersection and arbitrary union belongs to tau. Therefore, it is a topological space. So, these all are tau open sets, right? These all are open sets. Now, we are going to find closed set of this. When we take complement of this, we will get closed set. What is complement of null set? X. Complement of X is 5. What is complement of ABC? It is D and E. Complement of this 2 is AB. Complement of C is A, B, D, E, and complement of DE is A, B, C. These all are closed set now. These all are open set. We have find complement of this. So now we got closed set. Now consider a closed set. Any two closed set. I am going to consider AB, AB and DE. These two closed sets I am considering. AB is subset of ABC. So for AB there exists an open set ABC. For DE, DE is subset of DE. I am not going to consider this. I am going to consider this. DE is subset of DE. Therefore, intersection of ABC and intersection of DE is null. So, ABC is subset of AB is subset of ABC and DE is subset of DE itself. What is intersection of these two set? Null set. Therefore, for every closed set, there exists an open set and intersection of those two set is null set. Therefore, this is normal. Now, we have to prove it is not regular. So, to prove it is not regular, consider a point C. I'll consider a point C and I'll consider a closed set AB. So, C is subset of C. C is subset of C. See here C is both closed and here C is an element and it belongs to an open set C, and AB, when we consider AB, the only open set in AB is ABC. We cannot consider any other set. Here we don't have AB, here also we don't have AB, here also we don't have AB. Therefore, AB is subset of A, B, C. What is intersection between these two? This is an open set. This is also an open set. Intersection of these two open set is C. C intersection A, B, C is C. It is not equal to null set. Therefore, this space is not regular. Therefore, every normal space need not be regular space, but normal space plus T1 space is regular space. Now, we are going to prove normality is satisfying topological property. So, normal space satisfies topological property, or normality is a topological property. Now, so to prove topological space, we are considering a mapping. F should be a homeomorphism and it is defined from x comma tau to y comma tau dash or u. And y is subset of x, and now here x is normal. Now we are going to prove y is also normal. So here we are having f of x is equal to y. X comma tau is normal. Since x comma tau is normal space, there exist two closed set. I'll take it as f1 and f2. and intersection of F1 and F2 is null set. And these two sets are separated by an open set G and H such that F1 should be subset of G and F2 should be subset of H. G intersection H is again null set. F1 intersection F2 is null. I'll write that also. F1 intersection F2 is null. G intersection H is also null. This is from definition of normal space because X is normal. Now, F1 is subset of G implies F of F1 is subset of F of G. Since F is continuous. Similarly, F2 is subset of G means small f of F2 is subset of F of G. Again, since F is continuous. Also, F of F1, see F is closed in X, F2 is closed in X, therefore F1 and F of F1 and F of F2 are closed in Y, capital Y. Because we are having F of X equal to Y, right? Therefore, F of F1 and F of F2 are closed in Y. Since G intersection H is null. This is H. F of G intersection F of H is equal to F of G intersection H. G intersection H is null. Therefore, F of null is null set. For a closed set in Y, there exists an open set F of G and F of H in Y such that F of G intersection F of H is null set. Therefore, Y comma U is normal. That's what we have to prove. Next property, we are going to prove normality is, usually we'll prove topological property and heredity property. Here we are going to prove normality is not hereditary but it is weakly hereditary. Normal space is not hereditary but it is weakly hereditary. To prove x comma tau is normal space and it is not hereditary, I am considering an example. Let x is equal to A, B, C and D. This is our x. I am defining tau as phi x A comma B, A comma C and ABC. This is one of the topological space. Now, these all are open sets. To find closed sets, I will find complement of this. Complement of phi is x. Complement of x is phi. Complement of A. Leave A and write remaining terms B, C, D. And complement of A comma B is C and D. And complement of A and C is B and D. At last, complement of ABC is AD. Complement of ABC is D. So, these are our closed set. Here, whenever we consider a set that does not exist and disjoint closed set. If I consider this two set, intersection is C. If we consider this two set, intersection is D. If we consider this two set, intersection is D. If we consider any two set, intersection will be D. So, if we consider any closed set that does not exist F1 and F2 such that its intersection is null. Now, we are going to consider. So, in case if we have disjoint closed set here, there should exist an open set in tau such that this should be subset of that. Since there does not exist any disjoint closed set, obviously this space is trivially normal. Now, I am going to consider a subspace Y of X. I am going to define Y as A, B, C. I'm not considering D, therefore Y is subset of X. Now I define a topology space tau star as phi Y A comma B and A comma C. I'm considering another example. This tau is defined on Y. To find tau star closed set, I have to find complement of this. Complement of phi is not X now, it is complement of phi is Y. Complement of Y is phi. Complement of A is B comma C. Complement of AB is C. Complement of AC is B. So these are our closed set. Now we have to prove this is not normal. I am considering two disjoint closed set. See, if I consider this two closed set, it is not disjoint, but here closed set exists. That is C and B are our closed set. For every closed set, there should exist an open set which is disjoint, right? C belongs to AC. C is subset of AC. B is subset of AB. So this is our open set. A comma B is our open set, but intersection of this is A. Therefore, it is Y is not normal space. Therefore, normality is weakly hereditary. It is not hereditary. To prove it is weakly hereditary, we have proved it is not hereditary now. To prove it is weakly hereditary, I am considering x comma tau as a topological space and Y is a closed subset of X. In general, here we have considered Y is subset of X. Now I am considering Y is the closed subset of X and I am going to prove Y comma tau Y is also normal. So here topological space on Y is defined as tau Y. Now I am going to prove this is normal. Since X is normal, I am considering two closed set E star and F star. E star intersection F star is null set, means disjoint closed set I am considering on tau Y. Because we are considering Y as a closed set, in Y comma tau Y we are considering two closed sets E star and F star. Since Y is closed, every tau Y closed subset of Y is also in tau, right? Whatever set we are having, that will present in tau Y because we are considering a closed set. And whatever closed set we are having in tau Y, it is closed in x comma tau also because Y is subset of x comma tau. Here we are considering only closed subset of this, and whatever closed set we are considering here, it will present in x comma tau also. So, since x is normal, here one more thing. See, I am considering E star and F star which is closed subset in tau Y. Since Y is subset of this and Y is considered as closed subset of X, we are having E star is subset of X and F star is belongs to x comma tau. E star also belongs to x comma tau, F star also belongs to x comma tau. Since X is normal, for every disjoint closed set, there exists an open set, right? Also, X is open and closed. I'll write this as E star is subset of some open set G and F star is subset of some open set H. Since X is normal, there exists an open set G and H. E star is subset of G, F star is subset of H and G intersection H is normal, right? This implies F star is subset of V intersection G and y intersection G and F star is subset of y intersection H also. G and H are open in X. I am considering intersection of y intersection G, y intersection H, and y intersection G and y intersection H is open in Y. Also, when we consider intersection of this y intersection G, intersection y intersection H, this we can write it as y intersection of G intersection H. What is G intersection H? Null set. Therefore, intersection of y intersection null set is null set. So, for closed set E star and F star, there exists an open set y intersection G and y intersection H in tau y such that these two are disjoint open set. Therefore, y comma tau y is normal. So, when we consider normal subset of x comma tau, it does not satisfy the condition. If we consider closed subsets of X, hereditary property holds good. Therefore, normality is weakly hereditary. It is not hereditary.